Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this lovely, beautiful fish curry. Now I'm going to be using a black pomfret fish, a fillet. You can use any fish you want actually, up to you. Just cut it into some nice kind of chunky pieces. I've got the skin on this one. You can take it off if you wish. So I've got about 500 grams, which is about a pound of fish. Kingfish is really good if you want an alternative fish. Okay, in a mixing bowl, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime, and 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you want. What we're gonna do is just gonna give that a nice little mix, and then we're gonna get to the cooker and we're gonna fry that off. So I've got 3 tablespoons of oil there. Medium heat, we're gonna go for about 4 minutes aside for this type of fish. Flipping it over just once, then we're gonna take it out, set it aside, but keep the oil that we've cooked it in because that's got some beautiful, beautiful flavors. So some cumin, chili, turmeric and coriander powders, teaspoon each. I always call that the big 4. Some fresh curry leaves, you can get them, beautiful. Fresh chili, the amount's up to you. We're gonna go with a cup of onion, a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, cumin seeds and the curry leaves go in for like 60 seconds. Don't skip this part, it's really important. Then we're going to go in with that 1 cup of onion for around 3 minutes. We're on slightly above medium heat. In goes the garlic ginger paste, some salt to taste, and the fresh chili. Like I say, up to you the amount of chili that you put in. So in go all of the spices, give that a little mix. $400 ml of coconut milk, in that goes. We're going to cook that for a few minutes. It's going to deepen and change color with the spices. Then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to add in the fried fish that we have. Turn the heat to low now, nice and low. About 5 minutes, we've nearly done it. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, job done. That is creamy, spicy, and really, really, really beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.